In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your ConvertKit account step by step using app.kit.com. If you've decided to stop using ConvertKit, rebrand your business, or simply want to close your account permanently, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process safely and quickly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the final confirmation step that actually completes the deletion. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to app.kit.com/dashboard. This will take you to your ConvertKit, now known as Kit, dashboard. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account that you want to delete. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the email address in the top right corner before proceeding. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings area where you can manage your account details, billing information, and other preferences. Inside the settings page, look for the option labeled Account and Billing and click on it. This section contains all the important information related to your subscription, payment details, and account status. After you're inside Account and Billing, scroll down if necessary until you find the option that says Delete My Kit Account. This is usually located toward the bottom of the billing page. Click on Delete My Kit Account to begin the deletion process. At this point, ConvertKit will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete your account. This is a permanent action, which means your subscribers, email sequences, automations, forms, landing pages, and all other data will be permanently removed. Make sure you've exported any important data before continuing. To confirm the deletion, you'll be asked to type Delete Account in all capital letters into the confirmation field. Carefully type Delete Account exactly as shown. This step ensures that you intentionally want to close your account. After typing Delete Account, click on Confirm to continue the account deletion process. Once you click Confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion according to Kit's policies. You may receive a confirmation email about the closure. And that's it. That's how you delete your ConvertKit account using app.kit.com step by step. Before you go, remember that deleting your account is permanent and cannot be undone, so always back up your data first. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward, easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.